Why is my car revving by itself? Easy fix explained. Your car is likely revving by itself due to problems with the engine's air intake, such as a dirty throttle body, a faulty idle air control (IACV) valve, a vacuum leak, or a malfunctioning mass airflow (MAF) sensor. These issues disrupt the air-fuel mixture, causing the engine control unit to adjust fuel and airflow, leading to fluctuating or surging RPMs. You should have a mechanic diagnose and repair the issue, as it can cause worsening performance and potential engine damage. Common causes: vacuum leaks. Cracks or loose connections in the intake system allow unmetered air into the engine, throwing off the air-fuel ratio and making the engine rev up. Dirty or faulty throttle body. The throttle body controls the engine's air supply. Carbon buildup can cause the throttle plate to stick or not close fully, affecting the idle. Faulty idle air control (IACV) valve. This valve regulates airflow at idle. A dirty or worn-out IACV valve can get stuck open or closed, leading to unstable or high idle speeds. Malfunctioning mass airflow (MAF) sensor. The MAF sensor measures the air entering the engine. If it's dirty or faulty, it provides incorrect data to the engine computer, causing incorrect fuel adjustments and erratic idling. Dirty or faulty throttle position sensor (TPS). The TPS sends information about the throttle's position to the engine computer. A faulty sensor can send incorrect signals, leading to fluctuations in the air-fuel mixture and idle speed. Engine control unit (ECU) problems. In some cases, the issue could be with the car's main computer, which might need to be reset or reprogrammed. What to do? Get an OBD2 scan. A mechanic can use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes from the engine control unit, which can help pinpoint the problem. Check for vacuum leaks. A professional can perform a smoke test or spray a liquid around the intake manifold to identify leaks. Clean or replace components. Depending on the diagnosis, a technician might clean the throttle body and IACV valve or replace a faulty sensor. Don't ignore this problem, as it can worsen over time and negatively impact your car's performance and longevity.